Hello everyone, my name is Sonja. Today we will talk about using a drone kamikaze for airsoft. So let's begin. Drones are increasingly used in modern warfare. Now they carry out not only reconnaissance but also attack. FPV kamikaze drones such as quadcopters are already used in airsoft games. I decided to develop an aircraft-type kamikaze attack drone because a quadcopter drone is very dangerous with its propellers. Before that, I did not understand radio-controlled models at all. I didn't have any friends who could help either. Therefore, I had to study everything myself using the internet and libraries. Since I had no experience in flying model airplanes, I assumed that most likely I would crash a ready-made purchased airplane quickly without having time to do anything. That's why I decided to develop a RC airplane. To begin with, I used ready-made drawings to make an airplane out of foam. I made a plane and made several flight attempts. I drew conclusions from the test. My plane weighed almost 600 grams. It was quite bulky and the propeller broke after every landing. After studying YouTube, I found a video where the author makes a model of Javelin. It was difficult for me to make a RC model with folding wings, but it is quite possible to make a model that is transported folded in a tube and unfolded manually before launching. I developed the concept of a pusher propeller airplane. The wings and keel are foldable. During the tests, I finalized the shape of the wings and the shape of the fuselage. I also practiced flying an airplane. During training and modifications, I crashed about 20 airplanes. During development and testing, I was able to master the technology of serial production of drone planes at home. The weight of the airplane has decreased to 140 grams. The disassembled airplane is placed in a container with a diameter of 10 centimeters. In the hiking mode, the transport container can be carried as a shoulder-mounted grenade launcher. When approaching, the plane can move with the engine turned off, which FPV quadcopters cannot do, and will not hit anyone with the propeller blades. The body consists of foam plastic and breaks easily upon impact without leaving any sharp parts. The drone does not need a catapult or compressor. Everything necessary for the flight can be carried by one person, while remaining armed with the main weapon. My drone has no explosive or dangerous parts. The destruction of objects is only conditional, not real. The cost of one drone is about $40. Electronics from a crashed drone can be reused. Therefore, repeated costs will only be necessary for foam, glue and tape, which will be about $5. The flight distance with camera control is about 300 meters and visually up to 500 meters. The drone can be used for milsim games, destroying vehicles, command centers and other key objects. My drone has disadvantages. Flight is greatly affected by weather. A drone can strike only on open area. It takes about 3 minutes to prepare the launch. The transportation container is quite bulky. It is possible to further reduce the size of the drone and increase the flight range, but this will cause the price to increase too much. It is advisable to reconnoiter the exact position of the target before using an attack drone. When using reconnaissance equipment, this drone is the ultimate weapon in milsim games. Milsim games without drones are already a thing of the past. Soon all the top bloggers will be talking about the use of drones in airsoft. Bye!